As indicated by the most recent long-haul conjecture, a share cost will hit $8 toward the finish of 2023, and afterward $9 by the center of 2024. A share will ascend to $12 inside the extended time of 2025, $15 in 2026, $20 in 2027, and $25 in 2030, which especially is very critical. A share value forecast 2023 to 2024. A share cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, a share exchanged at $6.18. So the cost expanded by 3% from the outset of the year. The determined a share cost toward the finish of 2023 is $8.97, and the year-to-year change plus 50% in an unobtrusive manner. The ascent from today to year-end plus 45%. In the main portion of 2024, the a share cost will move to $9.38. In the final part, the cost would add 55 cents and close the year at $9.93. Which is plus 61% to the ongoing cost. The estimate for later, close to days and months. Friday, July 14, $6.19. Saturday, July 15, $6.21. Sunday, July 16, $6.23. Monday, July 17, $6.24. Tuesday, July 18, $6.26. Wednesday, July 19, $6.28. Thursday, July 26, $26.29. Friday, July 21, $6.31. August 15, $6.72. September 15, $7.22. October 15, $7.71. November 15, $8.22. December 15, $8.71. A share expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring a critical increment. A share cost would move from $9.93 to $24.98, which essentially is up 152%. A share will really begin 2025 at $9.93, then, at that point, take off to $12.16 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $13.52. That implies plus 119% from today. A share forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the a share cost would ascend from $24.98 to $29.67, which is plus 19%. A share will begin 2030 at $24.98, then, at that point, for the most part, take off to $26.33 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $25.10 in an unpretentious manner. It sort of is about plus 306% from today. A share value expectation 2023 to 2024. A share cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, a share exchanged at $4.70. So the cost diminished by 22% from the very outset of the year. The determined a share cost toward the finish of 2023 especially is $6.54, and the year-to-year change plus 9%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 39% in an unobtrusive way. In 2023, we generally hope to see $6.27 per one a share. In the main portion of 2024, the a share cost will move to $8.50. In the final part, the cost would add 74 cents and close the year at $9.24, which is plus 96% to the ongoing cost. A share expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. A share cost would move from $9.24 to $14.77, which is up 60%. A share will begin 2025 at $9.24, then take off to $10.04 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $9.75. That implies plus 107% from today. A share expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the a share cost would ascend from $14.77 to $21.04, which is plus 42%. A share will begin 2030 at $14.77, then, at that point, generally take off to $15.42 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2030 at $16.29. It truly is about plus 246% from today, or so they really thought. 6/1/2023 a share value expectation 2023 to 2024. A share cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, a share exchanged at $6.85, so the cost expanded by 14% from the start of the year. The gauge a share cost toward the finish of 2023 is $7.18, and the year-to-year change plus 20%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 5%. In 2023, we hope to see $6.88 per one a share. In the primary portion of 2024, the a share cost will in every practical sense move to $9.33. In the last part, the cost would add 82 cents and close the year at $10.15, which is plus 48% to the ongoing cost. A share expectation 2025 to 2029, these 5 years would bring an increment. A share cost would move from $10.15 to $16.23, which is up 60%. A share will begin 2025 at $10.15, then, at that point, take off to $11.03 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $10.71. In spite of mainstream thinking, that implies plus 56% from today in an essentially significant manner. A share expectation 2030 to 2034, in this period, the a share cost would ascend from $16.23 to $23.11, which in every practical sense is plus 42%. A share will begin 2030 at $16.23, then take off to $16.94 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2030 at $17.89. It is about plus 161% from today. 5/15/2023 a share value forecast 2023 to 2024 a share cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, a share exchanged at $6.83. So the cost expanded by 14% from the start of the year. The gacha share cost toward the finish of 2023 is $8.58, and the year-to-year change plus 43% in an unobtrusive manner. The ascent from today to year-end plus 26%. In 2023, we hope to see $8.11 per one a share. In the main portion of 2024, the a share cost will in a real sense move to $11.15. In the final part, the cost would add $1.24 and close the year at $12.39, which is plus 81% to the ongoing cost. A share expectation 2025 to 2029, these 5 years would generally bring an increment. A share cost would move from $12.39 to $24.40, which is up 97% in a significant way. A share will begin 2025 at $12.39, then, at that point, take off to $13.33 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $15.33. That implies plus 124% from today. A share expectation 2030 to 2034, in this period, the a share cost would especially ascend from $24.40 to $29, which is plus 19% amazingly. A share will begin 2030 at $24.40, then dip to $22.94 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $24.20.